Hey everybody, this is Sam from SK Coffee.
Hi, I'm Nellie. I'm Sam's partner and proud New Englander who drinks iced coffees in the winter.
There you go. Speaking of, we are doing this cold brew series to highlight each one of our flavor categories, smooth, bold, sweet, and unique, in the style of cold brew to celebrate the height of summer. It's not going to last much longer. So today we're doing a sweet coffee from the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, if you want to learn how to do cold brew, we have another tutorial for that, so check out the link in the description below. Nellie, will you tell us the general tasting notes for this DRC?
Yes, the general tasting notes are dark cherry, flourless chocolate cake, and hazelnut.
So, we're going to taste this without ice and then with ice. This is important because without ice you get that whole kind of rich, thick, coffee, creamy experience. And then with ice, you're going to get a little bit of the dilution that you get, which is probably generally how I would suggest drinking it. So let's do it without ice first. All right. So cheers.
Cheers.
Off the bat, like in the nose, it's just like extremely aromatic.
Mm-hmm. And I'd say the first flavor I taste is that like dark chocolate. I don't want to use the word bittersweet because I don't think it's bitter chocolate, but like the unsweetened cocoa kind of flavor.
Yes, like bitter we use as a bad word in coffee, but there is that, baker's chocolate kind of raw cacao experience. So we tend to use at SK like bittersweet or like cacao bitter as that, because it's still sweet, right? And I think we put the hazelnut in there because it is a generally sweet experience. It's not fruity, really. That's why we have that black dark cherry, because that's more of like a meaty fruit sweet. And hazelnut, any like hazelnut extract or something, it's always like a sweet, creamy experience, right?
But I would describe this less, it is sweet, but more flavorful than sweet in terms of like sugary kind of.
Yeah.
Not like sucrosey, but like flavorful of sweet things.
Yeah. And it's really round. I think it's very well balanced.
Can we add some ice?
Yeah. Cheers. Same kind of aromatics, I think. It does kind of soften it a little bit, maybe. Ooh.
Yeah, I feel like when it's colder, you get more of the, or like cold with ice, you get more of the cherry.
Yes. Oh my God. A lot of sweetness. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. A lot of sweetness with ice. So if you want to have both experiences, maybe start without ice and get that kind of round, creamy note. Add a little ice. This will also last longer.
Second drink.
All right, well, if you want to grab a bag of this, we'll have a link down in the bio. And again, check out our tutorial on how to brew cold brew in your home. It's super easy. Yeah, thanks for joining us.